Welcome back guys. In this video lesson we will be learning about Start Menu. As you know, Start Menu is back in Windows 10. Start Menu provides wonderful ways to access program. It's a door to software house which are member of your computer. So let's get started. First of all, I'm clicking on this Start Menu button. When I click this menu, as you can see, one large menu will appear which contains user information, most used applications, various apps which are categorized by system users, and some other option. So let's see one by one. Every Windows 10 system have one user. In Windows 10 there are two types of users. One is local and another is online. So if you want to log into your different user account and change personalization settings, then you can use this option. We will explore this option in more details in future lessons. Second is Tile Menu. This menu is Tile Menu. Windows 10 by default provides Start Menu with this layout, but you can also expand it to full screen. You can arrange these tiles in various categories as you feel comfortable. Let's arrange some apps in Office category. Suppose I need this mail app. Oh, I already arranged it in Office category. So let's arrange one more different category, which is entertainment. Okay, let's set it to games. For example, this Xbox app is related to game. I'm putting it here. And one more app, Xbox Live, Minecraft. So these are various games. Now I want to name it to games. So it's very easy. Just click here and name it to games. And that's it. Here you go. You have one more new category called names. So this way you can arrange your various apps in various categories. Now if you are feeling that my Start Menu is very small, then you can stretch it to various size and arrange your apps as you feel comfortable. So now my Start Menu is little bit larger. Now here you can see 4 options. Let's see one by one. If you have used other Windows system, you may know what is Windows Explorer. New Windows user might not know. Windows Explorer is a gateway to file system. Using Windows Explorer, you can manage your files and folder and access it very easily. Setting option. Operating system is very large software mounted on top of the hardware. So to control and customize your work environment, you can use these system settings. We'll also exploring this option in more details in future. Power option. Very important option. Consider you want to make your laptop sleep. For that, this option is needed. So click on the power option and you can see there are 4 options provided by power option. First one is sleep. You can make your laptop or PC sleep. Second is hibernate option. Hibernate option is used when you want to persist your state of your system. And shutdown option, you may know that this option is used to shut it off your PC. And last one is restart. Restart is used when you want to just start over your system or give a fresh start. And last option is all apps. Last but not least, with this option you can access various apps. For example, if I want to open VLC media player, then I can click on this all apps button and I will go through all the application and look at where is VLC media player located. But I have very simple way. You can see these letters. Click on that letter and you will find various alphabets. You can select the alphabet by which your software name start. I am selecting V. So I have one video length folder. I will expand it and as you can see there is a VLC media player. Just click on it and VLC media player will start. So this is the one method of opening a software, but I have very one easy way to open any software. That is very super easy way. All you need to do is just open the start menu and write VLC, and there you go, there is a VLC media player. So this is all about start menu. As we will go further, we will explore various options of start menu in more and more details. Thank you very much.